Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use Capital One Shopping on Amazon. It's very easy to do. For this, first you will need to install the Capital One Shopping browser extension. Go to the Chrome store or Capital One Shopping's website and click Add to Chrome and follow the installation step. After installing, click the extension icon and sign in with your Capital One account. If you don't have one, you can create an account for free. Now go to Amazon.com and search for the product you want to buy. Capital One Shopping will automatically scan for lower prices from other sellers. If there are active coupon codes, Capital One Shopping will notify you. Click try codes and let the extension test them automatically. If a working discount is found, it will be applied at checkout. Capital One Shopping also compares prices from other retailers and alerts you the same product is available for less elsewhere. You can click on the notification to view alternative buying options. Some purchases may qualify for Capital One Shopping rewards. You can accumulate this and redeem them for gift cards, giving you even more savings. And that's it. That's how you can use Capital One Shopping on Amazon.